Hi friends, welcome back to another video. I'm very excited because I'm starting a moving series. Yay! We found a new place here in Munich and we are moving from the Olympiapark region to more close to Aubing. And it's also a suburb within Munich, so we are still within Munich. We can get to the city center with 20 minutes on an S-Bahn. It's super simple, but it's a lot cheaper and I'm really looking forward to that. But first off, if you're new here, hi, my name is Araceli. I'm a full-time engineer living in Munich for almost 2 years with my husband and our dog. This is going to be a moving series. I think there are a lot of things I want to kind of dive into with this moving series that I think would be helpful for people relocating to Munich or relocating to Germany as a whole, because the renting process is something so different from American renting, from my experience and from the experience of a lot of my immigrant friends here in Germany. I want to talk about a lot of the details in the course of just a few videos, I think. So first off, I really want to break down the moving process, the behind the scenes for you guys. So I got my boxes here. We'll start packing up this place. And I also want to do an empty apartment tour of our old place, which is the place we live in now, and our new place that we're going to be living in, because I think it could be kind of fun. I love empty apartment tours. I also want to note kind of some of my must-haves that I had on finding a place. I want to talk about the process of finding a place, figuring out the deposit, talking with your landlord, especially as a non-native German speaker. It can be difficult because my landlord really only speaks German, and yeah, it can be challenging sometimes to clarify things with my landlord. So sharing from that experience, and also I never really talked about the actual moving process from the US to Germany and how we found our place that we live in now. So I kind of want to make it a series because there's so many topics, and I think it could be so helpful to a lot of people because I came into it very naive and I learned a lot throughout the process. So if you're moving to Munich, comment down below, let me know. I am always looking forward to meeting anyone who moves to Munich or lives in Munich and making new friends. So
later on in the night, when the crowds have gone, we could talk under moonlight till dawn. We could stay to watch the sunrise, cancel all our plans. We don't need a reason why we just can't.
Or because I love to sit on the floor, and this is my favorite now because it's snowing again, and it's just
stay
so
in this
perfect.
moment, never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while? Got myself free falling deep into your eyes. You came to me without warning, but I knew why. I wish I could stop time and stay in this moment, never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while? Stay in this moment, never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while?
Right, quick check-in. So we are, I think 8 days away from moving officially out of this place, and it's bittersweet. I am excited for the new opportunities that we'll have in the new place, just because rent is lower. We'll have so much more in our budget to travel and, have life experiences. But I loved the neighborhood that we were in, being in Olympiapark. That's such a fun neighborhood. It's very different from the neighborhood that we're moving into. The neighborhood that we're moving into is a lot more family friendly, and it also feels more like a smaller village town. It feels a lot older, which is kind of what we wanted when we first moved here. That's what we were looking for. And then we ended up in this very modern home, this very modern neighborhood. It's bittersweet to say goodbye to this place. I really did love it, but I just know that the new place is going to give us a different experience. And we've already lived almost 2 years in this place, and our time in Germany is short, so it will be nice to experience something different for whatever time we have left in Germany. It sounds like we're leaving tomorrow, but we're not. I don't know when we're leaving Germany and going back to the US, but I'm feeling really excited about the new place, and having the private backyard for our dog is going to be such a plus. Having, the space to host people, have a barbecue. We kind of had that here, but it wasn't as private or as spacious, and the new place really lets us do that. We're already planning some form of, maybe like a move-in party barbecue thing. That could be fun. I'm not sure, but I am excited for the new opportunities and then the new adventure, because this place gave us a lot of beautiful memories. But I'm excited. I think I've already said I'm excited like 10